I am very happy to provide a review for Dr. Anglada, who is a dental implant specialist located in San Jose, Costa Rica. After receiving a very high estimate from my local dentist here in Alberta, in Canada, I decided to research both Mexico and Costa Rica, as many of my friends have taken this option. After communicating with some of his patients, I was willing to contact Dr. Anglada's office, which is located in Lindora in the Santa Ana region of San Jose. Dr. Anglada willingly called me several times to answer any and all of my questions. After I sent my x-rays and all of my dental information, he was able to provide me with an estimate. I was pleased to see that I would save at least 50% of that quoted by the local dentist here in Alberta. As well, my treatment plan was reduced considerably. They had estimated more than a year. I made 2 trips to Costa Rica. The first was 6 nights and the second was 9 nights. My first visit included a meeting and discussion of my treatment, and my next day was my surgical day. Within less than 2 hours, I received 5 implants along with a sinus lift graft, which is meant to increase the amount of upper jaw bone near the molar area on my right upper jaw. So at no time did I require any heavier medication. I was offered tramadol, the Canadian version name, and the Costa Rican name is known as Tramal. My second visit was the same, no pain medication, but swabbing with Novocaine during the initial placing of the pins for the crowns, and as well as antibiotics. My appointments were a little longer to place the crowns in order to ensure a perfect bite. I discovered, as confirmed by my research, that Dr. Anglada and his excellent staff have a positive work ethic and strive to provide the very best experience. I found Dr. Anglada to be well experienced, an expert surgeon working very quickly and with precision and very little pain or trauma. I found Dr. Anglada and his staff to be both ethical and kind. Of the 2 dentists that were there, one reported that it was the very best workplace that he had ever worked. I trust Dr. Anglada more than any other dentist that I've seen, and I've seen a few as I'm now in my 70s. I am very happy and satisfied with my new smile, and I do not hesitate to provide the highest possible review for Dr. Anglada and his staff. In closing, as the last appointment of the day was 5 p.m., 1 or 2 of his staff always walked me back to my hotel. This is an example of the kind and thoughtful care that I received. Thank you ever so much to Dr. Anglada and his most competent staff.
Okay.